process can take before you have your green card in hand. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And as promised, I will be sharing with you the steps for applying for your employment-based visa. Now, I will be sharing the steps for the employment-based 3 category, as the focus here is on teachers. So stay tuned to the end of this video and see how long the process can take before you have your green card in hand. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, and if you did not check that video out, you can stop this video right now and go back to it. There are 5 categories of employment-based visas: EB1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I did focus on EB1, 2, and 3, and for this video, I will be showing you the steps for applying for the EB3 visa. Please note that this visa must be sponsored by an employer. So if your employer is interested in sponsoring you the employment-based visa, here are the steps that they will need to follow.
So the first step in the process is applying for the PWD, which is the prevailing wage determination. And the lawyer requests this from the Department of Labor. The PWD basically states the amount of pay the employee should receive at the time of applying for the green card. After the PWD, then the employer, should I say the lawyer, advertises the job, and they want to advertise it for 2 to 3 months. So it is important to advertise the job to make sure no U.S. citizen is interested in the position. And once that is completed, then the lawyer applies for the PERM, which is the Program Electronic Review Management. And in this step, the lawyer follows a series of steps to make sure that no other U.S. citizen wanted this position. Also, that the foreign national will not be paid less than what a U.S. citizen would be paid, to say that they're trying to save money by hiring foreign nationals for the position, and to make sure that they comply with different rules and regulations. So these are the first steps: PWD, then advertisement, PERM, and then on to USCIS. When it comes to USCIS, once all those first parts have been approved, then the lawyer is going to move on to apply directly now to USCIS, where the lawyer is going to put in the I-140 and the I-485, as well as the I-765 for the primary applicant. For example, if it's a teacher, they're going to put those in for the teacher along with the I-131. Now, the application process is dependent on your lawyer. Some lawyers will put the I-140 in first and wait for that to be approved before they put the other forms in, while some lawyers will put all the forms in at the same time. Once your I-140, that's the teacher, once your I-140 is approved, then he's going to put in for your dependents the I-485, 765, and the 131. Your dependents will not need the I-140 to be filed. So how long will each step, or will the entire process take? For the PWD, that can take anywhere between 5 to 6 months, and in some instances even up to 7 months. And the process can be very lengthy for different areas. For the advertisements, they need to advertise the job for at least 2 months. Lawyers advertise it for 3 months, and everybody, is unique in their own way of doing things. And then for the PERM process, that can take anywhere between 4 to 5 months. So right there, just these first steps can take up to a year or over 1 year. And then we have the process to be taken care of at USCIS. With USCIS, the I-140 can be expedited for 15 days. Or if not, it's another 4 to 6 months for that to be approved. So I think in an estimate, I would say a year and a half to 2 years the most. But then you can think about 1 year and maybe 3 months, or 1 year, 6 months and you can have your green card in hand. And that's just my assumption.
All right, that's it, guys, for the employment based EB3 visa and the steps that your employer will take when they apply for your green card. I wish you all luck, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe and share this video with a friend. I'll see you next time.